Hey everybody, this is Rob again, and got the Pepper Putz with me as well as you can kind of see. At least he's on camera this time instead of being behind the camera.
Uh, it's fun either way.
So, we have an unboxing to do. I'm not going to show the other side of the package because of obvious reasons, but this is from Mr. Eric Petro. Uh, as you know, if you've been following along with the meetups live and everything else, Eric is a fine crafting leather worker, and for Mr. Rob Bloomberg, he made a holster to carry around a bottle of hot sauce and four small bottles of pepper powder. Seeing that, I asked him, "Hey, could you make something for me?" And he says, "Sure." And that's what's in this package, or should be in this package. So I wanted to open it up in front of everybody. Doesn't feel like there's anything there. And knife from Julian. Thank you very much again, Julian.
Just gonna have a whole video section of everything we use is gonna come from somebody else.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a whole bunch of packing in here, which is a good thing. For some reason, it smells like peppers in here. Just a little bit. Okay, so we got another package inside. So, excellent packing job. Means I gotta take the knife back out again. Hey, this is what happens when we do it live, right? Didn't quite get through that one.
Yeah, Rob's been talking about these quite a bit, so I'm excited to see them because it sounds like it could be a nice little adventure to actually, instead of tucking it in my pocket and hoping I have it, actually have it carried around at some point eventually, possibly.
Oh my. Look at that.
Yeah, I do. I like that. Couple nice little belt loops. And it's stiff enough that it doesn't feel like it's just going to fold in half and break on me.
Oh no.
But it's soft enough that it'll definitely flex with a belt and break in.
Yeah, and it's double layer thick with this really fine stitching all the way around. And the bottles, now they're going to be tight at first. We know this.
Yeah, you got to break your leather in. We had some holsters not quite like this, but they were meant for electronic cigarettes, and those same kind of concept. They were very, very tight until a couple of weeks of use, and then the leather would break in really nice around whatever you were holstering in it. But definitely, this has got a really good feel to it. It's actual quality leather instead of that knockoff stuff you find at Walmart all the time. Ha ha, joke, joke.
Pleather. Isn't that what they call it?
Something like that, yeah. This definitely had some time and effort go into it, which is very well appreciated.
These are flipping cool.
They definitely are very tight loops.
Oh yeah. we knew that at the beginning, because if they fit perfect, as soon as they broke in, the bottles would just slip and slide.
I had a heck of a lot more trouble getting them in than you did.
That's all right.
Just means mine will hold better.
But if we take a look at this, I mean, imagine having that on your belt, right, well, you can't see it, but yeah, even if it was just right there, you got 3 bottles of pepper powder with you all the time. Like me, I always carry this in my pocket, and this is the spicy salt from Scott Tippett, and this is all I have left. What he sent me filled up 2 of these plus a bit extra, and this is all I have left. So you can see how much I've been using it. But yeah, I won't have to carry it in my pocket anymore. I can have it right where I want it. Anytime I want to go and eat, oh yeah, I'm going to have powder right there with me. And you always carry yours around with you, right? Your bottle?
Yeah, usually I tuck mine in by my wallet, and then after about a week or so it's contoured to my back pocket, so this will definitely help with that issue.
Yeah. And I got one for each of the guys here. So
That's cool.
there's a grand total of 4 here. So I get one, you get one, Jalapeno gets one, and Alex gets one.
Now this will give me a reason to actually grind up all my peppers.
Grow some, dry them.
Oh,
I can dry
that's
them for
right.
you.
I just got some ahi lemon peppers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the package from Dave. And yes, Dave, I gave him a... Well, we'll just call it a bunch of the dried ahi lemon drops.
Yeah, I appreciate you sending those our way.
He hasn't seen the powders yet. I brought those in today, so I figure as part of the gift to these guys, I'm going to fill each of the tubes with the 3 powders that Mr. Dave sent.
Oh, that would be awesome.
So they'll have a good 3 pepper batch. And yeah. Eric, these are beautiful.
Very well done, sir.
Yep, you did a very, very good job on this. And we had talked about color, and I said, well, I'd like them in black. And he says, well, I can't do black because it wears off. But I have this dye that will work even better than black, and it'll look black. And I agree, that looks pretty black to me.
Well, and I even like, I don't know how well you'll be able to pick it up on camera, but there's an offset. The back is actually like that black dye, and then the straps for the bottles is a darker brown, so it's just slightly lighter than the background, which I actually kind of, personally myself, like that. It's not too overly bright like a tan, where it would just completely be different, but it's enough to be different, I guess.
Yeah, these are a beautiful neutral color. You know, you look at holsters and that kind of stuff, and bright tan ones just drive me nuts. Either black or really dark brown is how I like, because they just fit in with everything, you know? And, yeah.
Especially the Blue Blaze all black uniforms.
Yep. Simply beautiful, Eric. Simply beautiful. All right. Any final words from you?
Thank you, I guess, for making one for each of us, and thank you, Rob, for allowing me to have one.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Dave, for the ahis I received, even though, I mean, that's kind of more of an add-on to the video now, but I didn't get to say it then, so I'll say it now. Thank you. Other than that, keep checking this guy out. He's got good videos.
Sometimes, yeah. All right. With that said, I think I'm going to close this out. Again, Eric, these are beautiful. I thank you very much for making these up for me. And yeah, much appreciated. You can find Eric Petro on the Pepper Lovers community as well. I don't know if he's got a site that actually advertises or sells things like this, but if you want something custom made, all I did was say, bounce an idea off his head, can you do this? And one thing led to another, and I have it in my hand now. And this is a very high quality, you can just feel the quality of the leather, the natural feel of it and everything else, so it's not crap stuff.
Right.
I can tell you that much right now.
That was what I was saying, yeah. It's definite quality.
So, yeah. With that said, I think I'm going to close this out. If you liked what you saw, hey, leave a like down below. Yeah, leave a comment. I'll get back to you within a day or so. And yeah, contact Eric. I think you can get through to him through the Pepper Lovers community. Either that, or he's on the Monday Nights Meetup Live or Meetup Lives on RevToast TV usually. So he's in the chat there, and he's been actually in the show as a guest. So that's why I got to talk to him about doing this. With that in mind, if you want some custom leather work made, talk to Eric. He might be able to help you out. Alrighty. With that said, I'm going to say bye.
See you later.